this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
All right, today we're going to do one of my favorite dishes, dessert. I absolutely love cooking dessert, especially in the Carolina Cooker skillets, the cast iron skillets. This is a blueberry peach and bourbon crumble. We're going to give this a shot, see how it works out. This is going to be a really sweet, warm dessert for you, but there's a lot to it, so y'all hang tight. All right, the first part of this recipe is for the filling. It takes 6 cups of sliced peaches, about 5 of them, 1 cup of blueberries, a 1/4 cup of bourbon, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon grated lemon zest, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, and a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Once you get all your ingredients for the filling all together, you need to mix it up really good to get the peaches and the blueberries coated. Once we do that, we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to start on our topping. Next, I'm going to mix the ingredients for the topping. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 1/2 sticks cold unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. All right, so I've got my filling mixed up. I've got my top layer mixed up. Now we're going to put it in our Carolina Cooker 13-inch skillet. After that, we're going to put it in the oven. I've already got my oven preset to 375. So we've got this mixed up, and it says just to spoon this in, so I'm not really sure how that's going to work. So here we go. Use my finger. I'm assuming that this stuff's going to kind of spread apart. I don't know for sure. Well, I don't know how this is going to taste, but it smells ridiculous. Look at that heat. Oh, Lord. For more recipes like this, visit carolinacooker.com.